Hello, Kisha is here. Today I wanted to talk about, does my dependent have to file a tax return? I kind of wanted to give you all a little information on when your dependent needs to file a return. So it's going to depend on their earned income, unearned income, and their gross income. The unearned income is the income that things are like interest, dividends, capital gains, or survivor annuities. That is unearned income, things that they're not physically or actively working for. The earned income is like your salary, professional fees. Say that they're a photographer and they charge, a fee for photography. They're actually working for that money. Or even if they have like an online store, then they're working for that money. So that is the earned income. And of course, the gross income is the sum of the unearned income and the earned income. If a child is a minor and they're not age appropriate to file a return, it is the parent's responsibility for filing that return for the child. There is an election that will allow the parent to claim their child's income, the unearned income, on their return, but there are some conditions that have to be met in order for the parent to do this. I want to give you all some numbers as far as how much the child have to make or earn to be able to file the taxes. So if the unearned income is more than $1,100, the child is responsible for filing a return. If the child earned income was less than the standard deduction, so for 2020, I think it was $12,400. If the child earned under $12,400, they were not required to file a return. If the child has like an IRA or a retirement plan or any kind of special medical plans, then they may be required to file a return too. There's a list of, clauses as to when the child does not have to file a return, but I kind of wanted to give you all an idea. Also, I wanted to let you know that just because the child has to file a return does not mean that they're going to owe taxes, because normally when you earn or make the standard deduction less than the standard deduction, you are not going to owe any taxes. But I do encourage everyone to allow their kids to file a return no matter how much money they earn, because they're going to get that money that they pay in taxes. If taxes were taken out, they're going to get that money back if it's not over, if they didn't earn over the standard deduction amount. So I just wanted to hop in and give you a little idea of what to expect when it's time for your dependent to start filing taxes. Also, if you still are providing over 50% of what that child, earn, and you're, still taking care of them, that does not stop you from being able to file them on your return. Okay, this was Kisha West, and I'll talk with you all later to provide more tax tips.